this is part one of making a bike out of just a frame and parts. I started by cleaning it because it was like really nasty when I got it, and I just used a Clorox wipe to just like wipe it down. Then I slapped one of my stickers on the frame. Apply the sticker with a crisscross formation, then it sticks a lot better and you don't get any air bubbles. Next I found a seat out of my parts bin, slapped that on there, tightened it with an Allen key. Luckily, I found a pair of the right size rims, but one of the rims didn't have an inner tube, and the inner tube that was in it was popped. I then tightened the bolts down, made sure it was all ready to go, and then it started looking like a bike. I gave it a test ride, and it worked pretty well.